Okay, so this one I'm just gonna take a look at the ships. I don't know much about ships, but you know, like with every single thing that's out there, there's always an expert that knows what things are. So I don't know who is. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I don't know who would come and view this channel, but if you do, make a like, and if you have any expertise on this, yeah, tell me. I'm gonna just kind of zoom in on some of these things. You can see kind of an upper deck. Is that our Chinese flag up there? I think that's a Chinese flag up on top, the red thing. Red, this looks like some kind of cargo ship. Let's see what else we can see. See what this is right here. It looks like a stationary thing, just kind of always out there. I don't know, that might be like one of those immigration points. And let's just kind of see what else is out here. Some boats over here. Sometimes this camera is kind of slow to focus. Let's see if it does focus at all. There we go. Now it's coming into focus. I can slowly try to zoom in on it and see what this is. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of interesting when you can see inside of a ship. So I don't know what all those things are. Kind of a yellow shed up on top. I don't know what kind of thing that is. Is that something that people just store things on? I don't know. Let's see what else there is. So you can see another one coming in way over here. And that one is kind of anchored. There's a big ship right behind it. Yeah, an anchored ship. So I don't know what all that is. See if we can zoom in a little bit and see if we can see any people or anything. Okay, so that's another ship. And I saw some other ships over here too. There's one. Let's see if we can see people. Kind of hard to tell. I'm looking through the camera lens and it's so small. But later when I'm actually looking at it on a larger screen, I might have seen people there. Kind of cool though. It's not very often that you just kind of sit and look at ships. And I think I see another ship over here. Oh, these are the cranes. So they're actually going to put stuff on a whole lot of buildings right on this sand that they're building a foundation for. Okay, so those are some of the ships that are in the harbor. A couple other ships here too. Let's kind of zoom in on this one too. Focus slowly comes in if I just let it sit for a while. It looks like it's moving. And the one right next to it too. It looks like they have their laundry out. What's that pink thing? Oh, that's it's like an art installation over by the casino. There's a casino right behind it, I think. Yeah, that casino is called it's the MGM right there, behind it. So yeah, so we're kind of watching the ships, but actually there's some casinos here too. So there's Grand Lisboa and Lisboa. So I can zoom in a little bit. See if I can focus or not. Focus is going to come in a minute. And right behind that ship is a casino. You can see the kind of funky top part. That's what this boa, Expensive grandis boa. Another funky part. Let's see if we can focus in on it and see. It'd be funny if we saw a person up there trying to climb it, you know? See, slowly coming to focus. Come on, come on. There we go. Get a little bit closer. I'm sure there are people that climb that. Anyways, so here we are looking at some ships in the harbor. And I'm in Macau. That is the Macau side with some of the casinos. I'm sitting in Taipa, which is also part of Macau, and over there is China, Zhuhai, China. Sometimes I'll see boats in between. And, I don't see any right now, right over there. There's people over here kind of hanging out. So, okay. Nice day, overlooking the water here, so pretty cool. Of course, there's the Macau Tower, so we'll end it right there with a freight ship coming in. Let's see where that's coming from. Can you see that name? The thing about zooming in is it's hard to keep it steady. TS Lines, I wonder what that is. Let's see if there's a flag. Is that a flag right there, that red thing? Oh, it's China, so makes sense. Oh, there's some red China flags right there too. Oh no, are those China flags? Oh, there's just regular red flags, so I guess those are things for like the shipping lanes to keep the ships in, I don't know what they are, but I'm just taking a guess. Okay, so maybe we'll zoom out a little bit and we'll end it right there. Chiquinha,